Turning the fucking light on!
We said no lights! He needs a doctor.
If we take him to the hospital, trash this entire plan.
Don't talk rubbish. Nobody's leaving. I've had worse. Now, do we have the family?
Tagged intact. They're not going anywhere.
You're all screaming like a bunch of little girls. Let's be clear, nobody used any real names.
No, I don't think so.
You better be sure.
I don't think so.
If they heard any names, we're gonna have to kill them.
Stop the bleeding.
Right! Someone get in here! Look, it says here, if we raise the wound above the heart, we can stop the bleeding. I want to raise the bed. Come help me. Get those books. Is that enough?
Enough. On 3.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Ah, wait. The wife, she's a doctor.
Give me some space. Stand over there. I need boiling water and towels cut into strips. Now,